Welcome to my channel. It's a new week, and I wish you a productive one. Here are some of the cutest guard dog moments. A little girl was trying to open the gate, but it was stuck, so this good boy decided to help her out. When you adopt a rescue dog, you don't know what kind of trauma they've experienced in their past, but they always seem to find a way to work through it. This little guy is so brave. He might be small, but he's definitely got a big heart. When you're feeling down, just remember, there's always something to be grateful for. Even if you don't have a loving family around you, you've got a loving dog. And if you don't have a dog, you've got a loving friend. If you're struggling to find the light at the end of the tunnel, just remember to take things one step at a time. You've got this.